Aha, brownica. Welcome back to our backyard farm. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a tour of our little piece of land where we grow our own food and living our best life. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video and supporting me. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. My name is Chi Africa, Nirimkunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. So guys, I'm receiving so many questions from different people, and people are asking, hey, Mukunda, how big is the land where you guys are doing farming? And some people are asking, what type of irrigation are you using to water the garden? And today, I'm here to answer those questions. This season, we are planting maize. As you can see, guys, we did land preparation, and today we were planting green maize. So that's what we are doing this season, and we are going to put butternut and some potatoes. So guys, there's an app that I'm going to use to measure this little piece of land. This app is called distance and area app measurement. At one time, I tried to measure using my footsteps, and it wasn't working. So I'm very lucky I heard about this app, and that's what I'm gonna use today. I'm using this app here. You open the app like this, wait for it. As you can see, finish setup. So I have to enable my GPS here. Enable the location. Yes, I am done enabling the. Let's go here. So as you can see, guys, look at this. Here is auto centimeters, square meters. Then I go here on the map here. Yes, that's it. Let's so I'm going to click here so that I can start walking. My app is going to start measuring. Let's start, guys. I'm starting from here. I'm going to come back here so that I can finish the measurement. So let's go, guys. Let's start moving. Great. The herb is measuring. The herb is measuring. You see, guys, the land to my right, I'm not measuring that small piece of land. So I do this because what I want here, I just want the piece of land where we are just doing farming. Yes, let's move. Let me wait for the camera. Yes, do you see, guys? Here, there's a line that is showing the movement that I'm doing here, the red line. You see that? Let's move again. Let's keep on moving. Keep on moving. Mud everywhere. This is a macadamia nut tree. I'm done measuring our small piece of land, our paradise. We really love to, we enjoy coming to the garden each and every day, looking at what is happening in the garden, and we are so happy to have this piece of land at our homestead. This piece of land is the heartbeat of our homestead, so that's why we love it, we like it, because we are so passionate about farming here. These are the measurements of our small piece of land. So guys, don't hesitate to ask questions. Feel free to ask questions if you have a question. If you want to ask or to suggest something, please feel free to do so. We do this. That means the ball is on. if you can do you hear? So yeah guys, this is where we have our tank, and this is a room. In this room we keep our tools that we use in the garden, and the chemicals, everything is in this room. And on top of this room there's a tank. On top of this room, as you can see, that's a 5,000 liter tank. Yes. And guys, you see there's two pipes here that you see, and this pipe, it's moving all the way to the tank on top there. That means this pipe is getting water from the borehole into the tank, and this one supplies water to the main house, the cottage, the big cottage, and the small cottage that we have here. This is the first switch. There's another switch. If we put this up like this, that means the water is going straight to the garden from the bowl. There's no need for the water to get into the tank. So it's just from the bowl straight to the garden. If we want to supply water to our house, we do this here, we switch it on. If we want to fill the tank, we do this. We switch it on like this. So guys, as you can see, there's a pipe on top of the tank. This pipe is there to release the pressure from the tank. It's here now, as you can see. It means the tank is full of water. This one will release the pressure from the tank. Here, this pipe will make a lot of noise. So guys, as you can see here, this is a switch, and we use this switch to switch on and off the sprinklers, the pipes that we use to water the garden. As you can see, there's on here and it's off here. That means if I move this thing to this side, the sprinklers will be on. Look at this. You see what is happening? That's what happens. Blake, this is the system that we use to water the garden. We use overhead. So if you want to water the garden, you do this. So there are some threads, or sort of threads, I don't know. Show you how it goes. You do this. As you can see guys, that's it.